controls with Toyota. Just broke my RCA, so on his water, looks alright. This thing has done a backflip. Recorded it on my phone there. And there's Dave's Bullet. So it's an electric versus a Nitro. Go over towards there as the end. Are you ready? The mask, yes, goody. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's get down there, Dave. Right back wheel, isn't it? It's funny. Well, that's one bullet kill. That's another bullet kill.
Very good.
Shagged again. Yeah, HPI Bullet. Need to sort your drive trains out. That's all I'll say. Good vehicle. Drives well, bashes well. Even runs away from its owners quite well as well. And even on 3S it's nice and quick. Although I do think the Nitro is quicker on 25% when it works. Yeah. It's been running on a 3S battery, killed some drivetrain. How many dog bones and CBDs have you had, Dave?
2 minutes.
That's funny, because I broke a dog bone in that one as well. How many dog bones were broken in this one? 0. I even smashed it into a curve at 45 miles an hour to a dead stop, and all it did was bent one of the front ones and pinned the brake off. What's going on here, Dave?
It's fine.
That wheel looked dead wobbly on the back. Are you nuts loose? He's widening the cup in it so much. get some alloy hubs for it, Dave. Using them Jazz Hobby ones.
Definitely moving on the hubs quite a lot. In fact, a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe it is. Well, I've just tried them there, but once it's rare, so it can just become rotating those wheels. Hopefully do that. Another week of going home and not knowing what's going on.
That's all I do, Dave.